Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 3 fixes for Adobe Premiere Pro of the error Unsupported Video Driver. Now, if you have this error, the first way that we can solve this is to update our graphics driver. First, go to the search icon and we are going to search for Device Manager. From here, let's expand the Display Adapter section and you should be able to see your graphics driver. Select it and right-click on it and click on Update Driver. Let's search automatically for drivers, and if it says that the best drivers are already installed, you can also go to the manufacturer's site and download the update for your graphics driver and install it so that your Premiere Pro will have a better performance in using your graphics card. For example, if you have an AMD graphics card like mine, you have to go to the official site of AMD and search for the graphics driver to update it. Now, if that does not work, a second way that we can do to solve it is to prioritize high performance for Adobe Premiere. To do that, let's go to Settings. You can right-click on your Start or Windows icon and click on Settings. From here, let's go to System or the Display Settings. Scroll down and you should be able to see the graphics settings option, so click on it. And if you don't have the Adobe Premiere Pro listed in here, click on the Browse option and locate on where your Premiere Pro is installed. For me, it is in my Drive D. I'm going to go to the Program Files, Adobe, and I'm going to select Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's find the app file, and here it is. So just click on Add, and it should be in this list now. Now let's click on Options once you have selected Premiere Pro from this list, and make sure that you change the graphics preference to high performance. Click on Save, and once you have done that, try closing Premiere Pro and reopening it again and see if that solves your problem. The third way would be to turn off the error message. You can do this if your Premiere Pro is functioning well and you just want to get rid of the message. To do that, let's go to the Edit tab at the top left, go to Preferences, and click on General. From here, we have some checked options right here. We're going to uncheck this option that says Show System Compatibility Issues at Startup. Click on the check icon to uncheck it and click on OK. But you need to take note that this issue may not be resolved and you won't be notified of the future compatibility errors as well. So I don't recommend doing this. But another way would be to reinstall your Premiere Pro and make sure that it is up to date. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.